Hi, welcome back. Today I want to share something a little special. We're making homemade Valentines for the grandkids using just a few simple things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. These Valentines aren't about spending a lot of money or making anything perfect. They're about taking a little time, having some fun, and creating something your grandkids will know was made just for them. First up, I'm using these little planters and glass jars, and then I'm turning them into what looks similar to a gumball machine. When I'm ready to give these to my grandkids, I'll just put some little treats like homemade cookies or other goodies inside. Next, I'm going to make some giant ring pops. I found these little foam hearts, a plastic plate, and 2 golden bowls. Same thing, when I'm ready to gift these, I'll fill them full of goodies. I'm going to hot glue everything together except for the golden bowls. Those I will just tape together so that they can be undone when my grandkids are ready to open them. I think these turned out so sweet. If you've been thinking about doing something for your grandkids for Valentine's or just because, but you needed some ideas to get started, I hope this inspired you. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you make Valentines for your grandkids, let me know in the comments. I always love hearing your ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.